position at Perdue is a maintenance planning lead. I started this position about 3.5 years ago. So I was on the floor as a production technician. We call it here process technician, for 4 years. And then I moved up to be maintenance planner scheduler. I learned a lot, the experience on the floor, the experience from the school is something that I apply in this position every single day.
The NCMI partnership with Perdue has been proven year over year. We've been able to acquire candidates from their program from the first year it was implemented to the most recent graduates that have come through the program. So we've seen successes from beginning to end in the program.